Explain to us basically what's going on. I mean, the judge is basically saying, look, he's this old, sentencing him to anything else. He's basically already gotten a life sentence. So tell us about what we just heard.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. What he's talking about is what is the point here? If I do it concurrently, he's going to get out at the age of 97 if he even lives to be that long. And if I do it consecutively, we're essentially talking about a life sentence that he'll never get out of prison. It's a funny way of looking at it by the judge, because usually judges just go, listen, according to the sentencing guidelines, is it appropriate for this sentence to be consecutive or concurrent, and not really considering what that means on the back end, meaning what that means as far as the age of the release of the defendant. But the judge is making that calculation here, and he's saying, what is the point, really? If I do this consecutively or concurrently, we're essentially talking about a life sentence anyways, or the release of a man who's very, very old and at the end of his life. I appreciate what the judge is doing, but I wonder if it's legally right, and I wonder if it creates some kind of appellate issue. Probably not if he goes for it concurrently, because the only people who would really take this up on appeal would be the defendant. But it was interesting to hear the judge kind of think that through as far as what it meant for the future of the defendant.